मैम मेट्रो।
Metro. Era.
मैम मोटरबाइक।
Motorbike is done. Okay. Pranchal.
यस मैम।
Tell me one example of land vehicle.
मैम वैन।
Okay. Sohart.
मैम ट्रक।
Okay. It was going in my mind also. Truck. Okay. Next. Shad. Shad, tell me one example of land vehicle.
मैम साइकिल।
Cycle is already done. Okay, thank you. Shubh. Quickly. Vaishnavi.
मैम साइकिल रिक्शा।
Cycle rickshaw. So that is also known as e-rickshaw, e-rickshaw or cycle rickshaw. Okay. Now the next is Vedant.
यस मैम।
Wait, Vedant.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Part, please wait. Yes, Vedant, can you tell?
वैन। मैम वैन।
Okay, van. Yes, van is also there, and it is very famous as we used to go to school with van, right?
मैम बस ऑल्सो।
Yes, bus also. Okay, Vidisha.
यस मैम।
Can you tell me one example?
पुलिस कार।
Pardon? Please repeat.
मैम
I'm not able to hear you, Vidisha.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम विदिशा इज टेलिंग पुलिस कार। मैम पुलिस
Okay, police car or car, that is one in the same thing. Okay. Now this was the land transport which were being told by you all as an example.
Excuse me,
Now who
ma'am?
will tell me that next means of transport? Yes, Anne?
मैम you don't ask me in land transport.
No issues, Anne. We have more questions to be done. I will surely come to you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait for some time. I'll come to everybody. I'll not ask only one person, okay? So do not worry. Okay, I am making a chart to make you all aware the kinds of vehicles and its types. So the first one we have done till now is land vehicle. The land vehicle, which includes bus, car, van, motorbike, auto rickshaw, train, cycle, metro, truck, e-rickshaw or cycle rickshaw, police car, bullock carts, and many more things. Okay. So these vehicles are land vehicles because these run on land. Land means zameen. That is why these are known as land vehicles. Train and metro has a track, a railway track sort of a track made on which it is being run. Okay, so but this is also a land vehicle because these also run on track only, on land in a track. Okay, so these are also known as land vehicles. Coming to the next category is air transport. Now, Anne will answer me the air transport example. Yes, Anne, can I have an example?
Ma'am, aircraft.
Pardon?
Ma'am, aircraft.
Okay, you are telling aircraft. Okay. Um, Vedang, can you tell one? Vedang, Vedang is telling aeroplane, I think. Okay. Shad, can you tell me one air transport? Listen to the word and try to get it. Air means the transport which are flying on air in the sky.
Ma'am, plane.
Yes, aeroplane. That is already written. Okay. Gorvangi, can you tell one?
Helicopter, ma'am.
Helicopter. Okay. Anything else anyone wants to tell in the air transport? Any example you people aware of? Wait, beta, please wait. Not like this. Part.
Yes,
Part,
ma'am.
please tell.
Ma'am, fighter jet.
Fighter jet. Okay. Ira, Ira, you want to tell? I'm not able to hear you, Ira.
Ma'am, rocket.
Rocket. Okay. Arijit,
Yes, ma'am.
Vidisha, rocket will go in the direction that will be given by you. If you will keep the rocket in this way inside the bottle, it will go in the ground only. If you will keep it straight up, then it will go in the sky, or it can change the direction as per the things crashing with him. So rocket is not always going on the sky. It depends in the direction and the way you are bursting it. Yes, Arijit.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, air transport. You were telling something.
Ma'am, helicopter.
Helicopter is done. Okay, thank you. Now coming to the water transport. Ira, I would like to ask you the one kind of water transport, an example. Submarine. Okay. I'm not able to hear you. I think there is a network issue. If I'm not able to hear your voice, then please do write in the chat box so that I can see your words.
Ma'am, Ira is saying motorboat. Ma'am, Ira is saying waterboat.
Motorboat. Okay. The boat in which motor is being fixed is known as motorboat. Okay. Okay. The boat. Okay, we have to complete the submarine also. Submarine. Okay. The boats, the normal boats in which motor is being fixed, known as motor boats, and it runs faster than a normal boat. So it is named as motor boat. Anyone else want to give the example of water transport? Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. I have told you all that you need to raise your hands and not your mouths. I can see your hands very nicely and you all can raise it. Akrishi, tell me an example of water transport.
Houseboat.
Which boat?
Houseboat.
Houseboat is a kind of house. Okay. Houseboat exactly is made where it rains heavily. Or you can go through it from one place to another. Yes, Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, ship.
Ships. Okay, Vidisha?
Ma'am, can we Ma'am, ship boat.
I'm not able to listen your answer like this. Vidisha, please tell. Ane,
Ma'am, cruise.
Ane, can you answer?
Ma'am, cruise. Ma'am, cruise ship.
Okay. Cruise is a kind of ship where all the facilities are there inside it. A resto, a washroom, and everything. Rooms, discos, clubs, parks. Yes, Vidisha?
Ma'am, submarine.
Submarine is already written. Okay.
Ma'am, steamer. Ma'am,
Okay. Now, okay, that's it. That's it. Now we lined up some examples under the category of land, air, and water, and we all can read it once for all of you. And I would like to read. I would like you to read the vehicles that are coming under the land transport that we have noted till now. Please read it.
Yes, ma'am. Bus, car, van, motorbike, auto rickshaw, train, cycle, metro, truck, e-rickshaw or cycle rickshaw.
Okay. There are many more. Okay. But you all have told me these examples, so we are writing this bikes. Okay, bikes are also coming in this only. All kind of new vehicles are coming. So these are the vehicles which run on land. Next is the category of air. Avika, can you read it? Read it out.
Ma'am, air, car, aeroplane, helicopter.
Okay. Aircraft, aeroplane, and helicopter. These are the kind of vehicles which fly in the sky and it helps us to reach the far off places in the most short time duration. Like if we will go to Mumbai in train, then it will take 24 hours. But if we will go by aeroplane, by flight, then it will take usually not more than 2 hours. If we will go to Delhi by train, it will take at least 7 to 8 hours. But if we will go by flight, then it will hardly take half an hour. Yes, right, it is very costlier. It is the most costlier means of transport, but it depends on your pocket and your situation, that how and which kind of vehicle you choose to go somewhere from one place to another. Now the third type is water. Akshat, can you please read it for us?
Okay, ma'am. Submarine, motorboat, boat, houseboat, ship, and cruise.
Okay, so these are the vehicles which run on water, and it also helps us to go from one place to another. All the vehicles have one motive to take you from one place to another, to so that you can reach on. Please stop talking and listen to me. All the vehicles, the motive of all the vehicles to make you reach the place where you want. Whether it is your own vehicle, or whether you are going with public transport, or whether you are hiring a public transport, that is none of the work. But the work of the transport is to reach the destination, reach the desired destination that you people want to reach, or anyone want to reach. Now the yes, Sohad, you want to tell something? You want to speak something, Sohad?
Ma'am, the township also is water
Which
transport.
which ship?
Ma'am,
Transit.
township.
Yes, there are many vehicles. Who all have done paragliding? Can you tell? Please raise your hands and tell me who all have done paragliding.
Ma'am, my
I have
TV.
done.
Ma'am, my TV. Ma'am, my TV.
Acha, why you people want to talk when I am saying you all to raise your hands? Vidisha, sit straight. Yes, this is also the type of air transport only, but वो हमेशा नहीं चलता है. It is upon you. If you want to go and have the paragliding, it is an activity. Balloon riding, paragliding, these are the activities which are there on the hilly areas, and it is your wish. You can pay and get that service, get that activity done, and you can have a ride on it. It is actually very dangerous. When I went there for 2 minutes, so I was like, now where I will go. But then it was when after 2 or 1 minute, then I was feeling very happy. I have the whole video, and I will try to show you all in my next class, so that you can see what paragliding is, or you can search in YouTube also that what is paragliding. Okay, what is paragliding and what is balloon
TV,
riding. So
ma'am.
you can see. Yes, Anay.
Parachute. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know what is paragliding.
Okay. Now, I have told you all the transport has a motive to go from one place to another. It depends on the basis of some points. First point is the distance we want to travel. If I want to go to Hazratganj from my place, I will definitely I will not hire any air transport or water transport, not a car. I can go with my scooty. I can go by auto rickshaw. I can go by bus, or if I wish I can go by car also. But it depends on the place, the far of place you want to travel, the distance. If surely I want to go to my nanny's place, then I will be hiring a car, or I will be going by train or bus, because it is little far. It takes 7 to 8 hours. Now, if I want to go to Goa for my holidays, then definitely I'll choose a flight. So these are the examples of the places, of the distance that you want to travel. It depends on the distance that we want to travel, the area, the space. Sorry, not space, but the distance means दूरी. कितनी दूरी पे हमें जाना है, उस हिसाब से we choose our transport. Okay. So the next point, the time we have. Now, if we are planning a holiday, okay. So planning may we can choose any kind of vehicle, but if it is an emergency or a tragedy and we have to reach today itself or in some time duration, then definitely we will choose the fastest means of transport to reach that place. Now, the money we want to spend. The third point is the money we want to spend. That means if our pocket will allow, if my pocket will allow me to go to Mumbai with flight, then definitely I'll get a flight ticket of 10,000 rupees and I can go. If my pocket is not allowing me to go by flight, then I will take the ticket of 3,000 rupees and go by train. That depends on my situation, my pocket, the money that I have with me. So traveling to different places depends on these things: the distance of the place, your pocket, and the time we have. All three things. Now I want to ask Sohad. Sohad, which is the fastest means of transport? Can you tell? Sohad, I'm not able to hear you. Arijit,
Yes, ma'am.
the fastest means of transport.
Ma'am, train.
Okay, as per you, it's train. Gorvangi, fastest means of transport.
Metro.
Metro. Okay. Akshaj,
Ma'am, bullet train.
bullet train. Era,
Ma'am, train.
train. Avika,
Ma'am, train.
now I am asking the fastest means of transport. मतलब कौन सा means of transport है, land, air or water, जो सबसे तेज चलता है. The fastest means of transport is air transport, which includes helicopter, aircraft, and aeroplanes.
Aeroplane.
Yes, because it helps us to reach the far off places in a very short time. It saves our time. It is long distance, so we do not get so tired in that. But obviously, the great amount of money is being spent. So the fastest means of transport is air transport. Now we have discussed the means of transport, what is transport, and the fastest means of transport. Now your homework, which I've already told you all, is you have to search who invented the wheel and how it was invented. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then
Okay, ma'am.
tomorrow I can. Which test you have tomorrow?
Ma'am, don't know. Ma'am, don't know.
Gorvangi, there is a test. Gorvangi, there is a test scheduled for every Saturday, and that scheme is already being forwarded to you people by Purva ma'am. And you have English test tomorrow. Now we will meet you. I'll meet you on Monday. Okay? Bye everybody. Take care. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.